Imagine waking up to the sound of heavy rain pounding your window. You check your phone. There's a flood warning. You know exactly what to do because you've gotten the alert in time. But have you ever wondered how these systems became so reliable? Let's rewind the clock. Back in the early 20th century, flood warnings were, well, pretty basic. People relied on local river gauges, word of mouth, and sometimes just the sight of rising water. There was no central system, just a lot of hoping, and sometimes a lot of loss. Fast forward to the 1950s and 60s. Governments started investing in better weather monitoring. Radar technology, which had been used in World War II, got a new job tracking storms. This meant meteorologists could actually see where rain was falling and how much. It was a huge leap, but warnings still depended on TV or radio broadcasts. If you weren't tuned in, you might miss it. Enter the digital age. The 1990s brought us satellites, computer models, and instant communication. Suddenly, floods could be predicted days in advance. Emergency services could get the word out faster, and more people could get to safety. It was no longer just about seeing the water rise. It was about using data to save lives. Today, flood warning systems are everywhere. They use a mix of sensors, satellites, and smart algorithms. Your phone might buzz with a push notification, or you could get a text. Some communities even have sirens that trigger automatically when sensors detect danger. The information is faster, more accurate, and reaches more people than ever before. And the impact, it's huge. Studies show that early warnings can cut flood-related deaths by up to 40%. Families have time to grab essentials, businesses can protect property, and emergency services get a head start. Every second counts, and modern warnings give us those precious moments. But technology isn't a magic shield. Floods are still dangerous, and as our climate changes, the risk grows. That's why it's so important to stay alert, know your local risks, and always pay attention to warnings. So next time your phone buzzes with a flood alert, remember, it's the result of decades of innovation, trial and error, and a whole lot of teamwork. And it could be the thing that saves your life. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.